Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm here at the Mastermind, king size bed, all to myself, which is a positive and a negative, but filled with excitement, about to go to sleep. And the good thing is we're starting the day super early. Today, everybody checked in and got to network with each other and started sharing stories about how they got started in real estate. Everybody's really excited to be here. This is gonna be an intimate, probably one of the most intimate masterminds that I've ever been a part of. And I'm not saying that because I'm a co-founder of it, but seriously, I think it's gonna be one of the most intimate masterminds I've ever been a part of. And I'm really excited about that. Less than a year ago, maybe less than 2 years ago, I was sitting across from a table of one of our mastermind members, and they were just getting started in real estate investing. And within 2 years, they've been able to close over 25 deals, many more than 25 deals, and have walked away from their job and have been able to do this full time. That's why I'm in this industry. That's what I love most about this. So, if you are thinking about wanting to leave your job, maybe quit your job one day, and you want to start investing in real estate, and you want to climb and put in time and work into your business and close over 25 deals. Well, first of all, we can show you how to do that. We can get you started and then show you how to close deals from locally or remotely. And then we can get you into a mastermind, which will help you 3x your business. That's realistic. Maybe quit your job. Maybe start saving for retirement, paying down debt, whatever it is, travel more, or build a mansion like this one. Either way, the good thing is you can do it from right where you're at with the amount of money that you currently have. You don't need to be rich before you start investing in real estate. All right, I'm getting tired. I want to go to bed. We got a crazy awesome day tomorrow. We have presentations. We have an amazing speaker on the second day, my good friend Dave Seymour, and we're just gonna have a great time. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So excited. All right, good night. I don't know. I think he's getting the beer. Mike's buying all the food. Look at him typing in his PIN number. Can't see the PIN number. Mike, pay for that food. $5.24, Mike. $5.24. All the food.
What do I feel like? What's
Yeah, something like that. Something like that.
That's not bad for $5.24.
That's not bad. That's not bad. $5.24, right? $5.24. And we got a helper. Thank you, helper. Yeah, we got to. Yeah, well, look, if we don't get the ultra. Put the food back. Yeah. Bring the ultra. Ah, $5.24. He's paying. I'm running. I'm going. I'm leaving. I ain't paying for nothing.
Drink something.
Thank you, Stimulus Bill. Thank you, Stimulus Bill. Thank you, Stimulus Bill. Got my direct deposit today. Yeah, true. Thank you, Stimulus Bill. Thank you, Biden. Thank you, Trump, for all our stimulus. Thank you, Pelosi. Thank you, Mitch McConnell. Is that a Lambo?
Yeah, it's going in that yellow.
It's going in the yellow. Can you imagine? Dude, is that a Lambo? Oh, it's a Corvette. Yeah. No, this one right here. It's Mustang. Can you believe it? We hope so. Let's still a start. We can do it. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen with Ciara's help. She's gonna help us. We're gonna get in the car. I'm videoing for documentation purposes, guys. By the way, check out this nice Corvette behind us. Guys, you're doing a great job. We even have a back seat though. There's one seat in the back, 1.5 seats on that side. This is gonna fit. We're gonna make it fit. Yeah, see, we're gonna make this work. We even got space. We're gonna put stuff next to the pedals in the front. I'll do this. I'll do this. I'll do this part while I film. Hey, what's up, guys? I just finished my session at the Fear Mastermind. Mike and I are here at the pool. Well, we're up at the balcony.
Second level.
Second level. Checking out the pool. You guys should be here. Plan your life. Get your life right. Plan your life. Gotta come out here to the Fear Mastermind. I just got torn apart. People asking me great questions, poking me, prodding me, saying, "Hey, are you?"
But is it going to help your business?
It is. Yeah,
Absolutely.
I got some great feedback there. I was like, "Whoa, that thing Forrest said." I was like, "Wow, that was a big takeaway." What Tim said, it was really powerful. Yeah, it was good stuff. So we're taking a short break, getting our lunch orders in, and we're gonna head in for the second session. See ya.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day. If I may, may. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you.